Hey, what's good everybody? In today's video, I'll be breaking down how to get your credit report entirely for free. If you're new here, my name is Michael and welcome back to the Real Michael Berry channel, where I have a passion for seeing millennials being successful with their money. If you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel, giving it a thumbs up because it does help other people see the video. But if you're in need to get your hands on your credit report, you don't know where to begin, or you want to get it for free, this here's going to be the video for you. Stay tuned. Let's backtrack a little bit. For my people who don't know what a credit report is simply shows how well you borrow money. The better you are at paying your bills, the better your score is going to be. Every time you have a late payment, every time you miss a payment, or something delinquent happens, this is just going to give you a negative impact on your score. It's going to hurt you in your overall future. Now, typically, you want to keep an eye on your credit report. So anytime you're ready to borrow money, it needs to look its best. But the only way to actually look at your report is to actually order it. So in this video, I'm going to give you 4 separate ways to get you an accurate credit score to make sure that what you're looking at is correct. Number 1, financial institutions. If you bank at a major bank like Chase or Wells Fargo, inside of that app, they have capabilities of giving you your credit report for free. The catch is you do have to have some form of credit item with them. This could be a credit card, an auto loan, or a home loan. But as long as you have the credit item with them inside of their app from the power of your phone, you have the access to get an updated status each and every 30 days. Not only that, they have ways to help you improve your credit report as well. So that's something you want to keep an eye out for. Also, if you have another lender through your home loan or an auto loan that's not a major bank, you typically have to call them or send a letter to request a credit report. Because they are reporting your payments each and every month, they do have access to your credit report and they can get that information to you. Typically, what you also want to do is you want to ask them, hey, who are you guys reporting to? Because you want to make sure that they're reporting to the big 3 credit bureaus to make sure that they're giving you a positive impact on your credit report. What people don't realize is that there are more credit bureaus out there, but the big 3 is what most companies use. Number 2, annualcreditreport.com. This one here is very easy, very straightforward. I've talked about this in the old videos and I'm going to bring it back again. Simply what you do is you go to the website, you're going to fill out a form. This form here is going to ask you which of the 3 bureaus do you want to use. You can get 1, you can get 2, or you can get all 3. After you fill out the request, it's going to give you your reports right in front of you. That way, from a computer, you can save it, send it to your email, save it to your phone, whichever way is easiest for you. But it's going to give you everything that you need completely free in one go. Just keep in mind, you only get 1 report per year for free. Number 3, credit bureaus. TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian will allow you to go to their websites and get a credit report for free right then, right there. Keep in mind, they do try to upsell you. So you'll see things like Experian Boost and different other exclusive memberships where they give you different features that are not necessarily on the free side. You do have to pay for those, but I've seen things where it'll give you like an instant jump on what your credit score is. The most up-to-date information, rather than waiting 30 days for an update or getting it through a different source, you can go to the website and get it right from them. So keep in mind that the report itself is actually free, but you do have those exclusive memberships that do cost a little bit of money. Number 4, and I want you guys to hear me out on this. My number 4 is Credit Karma. And the reason why I love what Credit Karma can do for you, I do not love Credit Karma for the credit score itself. So when it comes to getting information on your credit reports, your credit cards, your accounts, your loans, everything that you have, Credit Karma is awesome. It helps you improve your credit situation by giving you recommendations that best fit what you need to do. The problem that I have with it is when it comes to the actual credit score, the credit score in my personal experience and my professional experience has never been accurate. It's like looking out of a foggy window. It's in the ballpark, but it's never an actual true representation of what that score is, which is then why I would recommend all the other options, the other 3 that I mentioned before this, to actually get your actual credit score. But if you're looking to improve your credit situation, if you're looking to get information on where you stand, order your report, Credit Karma is solid just like the other ones as well. Now, with the information that I laid before you guys, I don't want you to waste it. Send this to a family or friend, somebody that could benefit on if they're looking to build credit, if they're looking to get a loan in a couple months, buy a house, whatever the case may be. You need this information to know where your status is, to know where you stand, to either look to improve it or, like I said, to get access to money. This is a good starting point. Outside of this, thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you guys for your support and see you in the next one.